pissed me off. I told Mike to pick me up. I told him you was bugging and I don't like to fuss. He said he would look out for me if I needed a friend. He took me to his house and then he invited me in. We sat on the couch, he put his arms around my waist, knowing I need love, and then he grabbed my face. He kissed me like a guy could never kiss a girl before. So you know what happened, baby, I need to say more. I'm just a fancy, baby, I'm just a fancy, yeah. Time you wondered where your money went. I called my friends and bought some clothes and took them on a trip. I met a dude that had the cheap and we talked all the time. He asked me about my man and you know that I had to lie. He thought I had no man and I was chilling by myself. Don't get mad cause I feel sad, that's why I must confess. Too many times I wanted to let you know my dirt, but every time you said you love me, I knew it would hurt. I'm just a fancy, yeah. Never had it in mind to play on you. Look at all the hurt you put me through. You know. I was mad, what was I to do? Never had it in mind to play on you. I was mad, what was I to do? Never had it in mind to play on you.